If you are into internet and you're working with a laptop daily, definitely one time you think about affiliate marketing. You can earn money through your channel, through your community. How I can earn money through affiliate without spending a huge time. This is very easy. How you can automate all the procedure from scratch for posting on LinkedIn or Twitter, on Reddit, any other platform or social media. You want to earn money from affiliate marketing and you don't need to spend money at all. If you're into internet and you're working with a laptop daily, definitely one time you think about affiliate marketing and how you can earn through online. Because every business wants to sell. They have the affiliate marketing. For example, Nike, Puma, or any other businesses, you can go to their website and register as the affiliator and you can sell their product and earn money. This is very easy, but a huge time you need to spend in advertising for promoting their product in your social media if you're influencer. So you're lucky and you can earn money through your channel, through your community. But if you're not, it will be very difficult. Because of this, it was 2 months, 3 months, I was thinking about a way that how I can earn money through affiliate without spending a huge time. Definitely you must spend time, but not too much. So I found a way. Actually, I'm learning every day. It's very interesting. I just want to teach you in this video. It is very easy and I will show you how you can automate all the procedure from scratch for posting on LinkedIn or Twitter, on Reddit, any other platform or social media. So you don't need to do anything. For example, you want to earn money from affiliate marketing from the Puma. How you can sell? You can go to Pinterest or you can go to Reddit and share some daily posts about the shoe that you got the affiliate link. First of all, you have to register in Puma website as an affiliator and they will give you one link for a specific product that you want to sell or any other product. You can choose 1,000 products and you will have a link. How you can sell their product? You have to go to Pinterest, LinkedIn or Twitter, Reddit and share their product with some unique pictures about the product. And after a while, some people click on your link and they will buy the product. So in this case, you will earn money. If you want to do this task daily, it will be time consuming and boring actually. You have to spend 1,000 hours to sell one product. How you can do these things automate? It's very, very easy and you don't need to spend money at all. In this video, I want to tell you how you can daily post like schedule one, Reddit, but you can just extend it to Instagram, extend it to LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever you're thinking. So what you need exactly, you need to know how to work with Zapier. I will tell you from scratch and we will connect Zapier with OpenAI ChatGPT. So we will generate a post, we will generate content and after that we will connect our Reddit account with this Zapier and it will be daily based on the time, 2 times, 3 times or 5 times per day, whatever you need, and it will share the video in the platforms. So let's do it. I want to tell you how you can register. First of all, you have to go to Zapier.com. This is the website. And after creating account, you will see this platform like this. I have to create one Zap. Whatever automates that you create, they call it Zap. There is a trigger. You have to click on the trigger and write easily schedule. Here, I choose schedule and choose the event like I choose every day. Continue and choose the time. For example, every day at 5 p.m. I want a trigger. What does it mean? It means every day at a specific time, 5 p.m., this automation will give trigger to the system. For example, you want to daily post, okay, it will give you a trigger. And after this trigger, what we need to do by ChatGPT. So here I click on the action and ChatGPT. Here you must connect your account. Right now my account is connected. If you don't have ChatGPT, just go to OpenAI website and log in and create your ChatGPT account. And after that, you can easily connect this account with Zapier. So it's very easy. And the events, what should I choose? I will choose send a prompt. I will click on continue and here I need to write my prompt. For example, if you have a coffee shop, you want to share daily about the coffee, you can write your prompt that's daily about the coffee. And that's it. No need to change anything else. So I will go skip the test. Here I need one more action. It should be Reddit. Here you need to connect to your Reddit account. Right now I connect my Reddit account. How you can connect it? Once you click on this, it will give you some structure how you can connect, because right now I connect my account. Here there is a client ID. You can click on the Reddit app page. They will give you this structure. You have to copy this redirect URL and paste it on your Reddit account. And after that, there is a client ID and client secret. You easily fill this form and connect your Reddit account. Right now my Reddit is connected. I need to choose create a post in subreddit, for example, like daily post, Puma shoes. And the type, I have to click on the text because I just want to share the text. So here I have to click on the plus and connect the OpenAI prompt. Here there is a response. I have to connect the response of this OpenAI to this account and continue. There is a trouble here, no post ID. I think the problem was from my Reddit account. So I just want to change the Reddit configuration here. And I just want to change it. Here I have one new account, and in the Reddit app, you need to open it. A new account that I already have. Are you a developer? Create a new app. So I just put a name, any name, like Actor Daily and web app about the URL. There was a URL here. The redirect URL, you have to make sure that you're putting in a redirect URL. So here, there's a secret, but you should not share this one with anyone else. So this is the address. This is the things that I already needed, client ID, and these are the secret. You need to share it here. That's it. And yes. So here it is my account, Hector Daily, hello. And right now it's connected to Hector Daily. And I choose the same, create post. And this is the subreddit that you want to share on it. For example, on shoes. You have market research before choosing this subreddit. Start your daily. This is the title of the post. This is the text, and this is the one it's connected. I just want to test it here. Test this step, and you can see it's ticked. So I will publish it. So here there is a home. I will go to the home in my profile. Daily boost. Start 1 minute ago. Start your morning right off a simple gratitude. List 3 things you are thankful for. It's a positive tone for that and shift the mindset. Enjoy. This is the one. Moderator, remove it, because definitely if you not be careful about this process, a Reddit account will block your account, and Reddit does not allow me to share that kind of post because I tried to share it multiple times. If you can check here, you can just you can edit your Zap and test it and publish it like test run. If I go with the test run here, this is first and it will go to the next one. Let's check. So it's run, create a prompt, and Reddit shared. So let's go and refresh. You will see it was the second one. Hey, just the latest investment Puma shoes. Not only are they stylish and comfortable, but every step I take in them remind me to keep pushing towards my goal. Trust me. So this is kind of convincing people to buy Puma shoes. This will be dangerous because definitely if you share on the subreddit like shoes, this famous platform, you will receive so many negative karma, you will lose your account. But with the same technique, you can connect any other account. But if you want to connect Instagram or YouTube, you need use some application like Metric. If I want to show you Metrical, this is a platform that I already have the account, but I do not pay for it. You can connect your Instagram and easily you can connect. Right now it's connected, and you can make a plan like 50 posts per month. It's free. But if you want to connect with Zapier and do all the process like by automation, you have to buy their application like $50 or something like this, and it will be automated, and you can share the daily post. You can share on your Instagram account or whatever. If you don't want to pay, like now you can see one post out of 50. I just share one post, and you can schedule here and you can post whatever you want to post, like adding picture, adding link, content you want to share on Facebook or Instagram. You want reel, story, it will be automated, and you can automate your post without effort. So if you have a business and for example you don't want to work affiliate, but you have one business and you want to share daily, weekly in your Instagram, or you don't want to be inactive on this kind of platforms, so you can just schedule. If you don't want automation also, but you can make it semi-automate. Like you can make a plan on Metrical, and for example today at this time, tomorrow at this time, or next year at this time, share this is the picture and this is the content and the hashtag. Just share it by yourself. So Metrical will do it. But if you want to do automation, like creating a picture by ChatGPT, creating content by ChatGPT, so you need Zapier in between, and you can connect your Zapier with OpenAI and Metrical and connect with your Instagram or any other social media that you already have, and you can do this procedure. In the next video I will try to teach you how you can work with N8N. This is a new platform that you can do it free of cost, but in Zapier you have to spend money, because if you want to have multiple actions in your one Zap, so you have to pay to Zapier. This was the automation of the process. I believe if you work on it and just try to find something new on it, you will definitely can earn money. Zapier has a huge ability and potential for automating anything. If you have any other business, and you can share with me in the comment, tell me about your business that you are doing with Zapier. Right now in my business, I connect my CRM system with Zapier, connect the Amazon account with Zapier. Zapier is very important for me. I hope this video was good for you. Do not forget to click on thumbs up and subscribe my channel.